Hey, in Blender 3.5, let's model up just a pretty little diamond and something that says shine bright like a diamond. Shift A, we're going to go to add diamonds, and let's do a brilliant diamond. Let's grab it on the Z axis, go up like that. We'll go scale, S for scale, we scale it down. Alright, let's grab it on the Z axis again. See what it looks like from the camera by pressing 0. Scale up our backdrop a little bit. That backdrop's something that I always have in there. I'll have a tutorial on how I make all that if you want to see that. I'll make that really soon. Okay, now let's add in some text. Let's go and pull this down here. So let's go Shift A. We're going to go to text. Go R for rotate, X to constrain to the X axis, type 90, hit enter. Let's hit S for scale, scale it down like this. Let's go G for grab, Z for Z axis, go G for grab, X for X axis. Go T or tab to get you into edit mode. Let's type something such as shine bright like a diamond. Hi meep. Okay, let's go into the text properties over here. Let's go to geometry. Let's extrude it by quite a bit. I think it might look really cool if we extrude it way too much. You know? Let's go to the camera view. Whoops. Yeah, I think that might be okay. Let's keep extruding it. Oh, I think I might like that. Oh, I wish somebody would give me their opinion right now, because I just like it all. Okay. Nothing wrong with liking everything. Okay. Let's leave it like that. Let's go to the material properties. Let's give this a new material. And let's make this, let's go to the material library and go to sample materials, and let's make this into chocolate. I remember when they invented chocolate. You remember SpongeBob? I don't remember when they invented chocolate. I remember that episode of SpongeBob, one of my favorites. Right, Danny? Oh, I applied that. I'm an idiot. I'm just sitting here waiting for it to render. Sorry. Okay, let's go to the diamond and apply a material for that also while we're here. Let's go to the library and let's do facade glass. And we want to go to our render engine, put it on cycles, put it on GPU compute. Now this is going to make some funky noises because it just does, but I'll let you see what it looks like. Here we go. That looks stupid. That's okay. You just gotta start and keep going. And that's what all you gotta do. I mean, that's all you can do, right? Let's grab the light first of all. Let's put the light down here. Put it right inside the diamond. See what it's like from the top right now. Let's go to that view there. Let's go back to the wireframe. What did I just do? What does that do? Toggles X-ray. Oh yeah, it sure does. Okay. Let's grab this light. Put it right inside the diamond. Alright. It's looking pretty good. Let's go to the light properties and make it way less bright. Maybe like that. I went from 1000 watts to like 50 watts. Okay, let's also go to the text, and that whole deep extrusion thing was a dumb idea. So let's make it very narrow. Like that. Okay. And I think we might be ready to try to see what this is going to look like again. Ooh, that's cooler, huh? I like that a lot better. That's looking so much better than I did. Okay, I think the chocolate's stupid. Let's go to the text. Go to material properties for the text. Get rid of the chocolate swirl. Put in, well, white looks pretty good. Let's make it porcelain or something like that. Ceramic. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's radical. I dig that, man. That's not bad at all. Let's do a couple more things. Let's move the camera closer to the object, or let's go to the camera properties. Let's go to the camera properties. Go to camera. Make the size. Oh wait, what am I doing? What do you guys think of that? Nobody's listening to me. Like, I'm just talking to myself, you know? We could give it some depth of field. That's looking okay. Now we should probably focus it on this object. I think, here's what I was looking for. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of like it. Let's save it. File, save as. Don't forget to save your as. Save as. Don't forget to save as diamond. Save as diamond. Diamond. Diamonda. Diamonda. Ooh, that's hot. So I'm going to call it Diamonda. Hey, Diamonda. Okay. Being a little weird. It's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Keeps life interesting. Let's do one more thing before we render it. Let's crank that light up, bro. Nah, that's too much. You can't see the detail in the diamond. You have to have a little bit of darkness to see light, right? That's so stupid. Shut up, me. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna render it. It's simple, but I like it. I'm a simple guy. Basic. Yeah. Alright, this is rendering. Sorry for all the funny noises that my video card makes. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to give you a copy of this. You can download it anywhere you saw this video, probably. There's going to be a link. I'm going to point. It's going to be, there's going to be a link right there. See? Just look. Click right. Just click right here. How about covers it? Oh, yeah. This is my favorite thing in the world right here. Right here, guys. Just click on that. That's my favorite thing. Neat. I saw some other people doing it.